at Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me. Really excited to invite you down to our final open house of the season this weekend. There are a few things that I would invite you down to check out during this open house and reasons to come down this weekend. First of that is our manufacturer rebates from both our motor manufacturers. Those are going through the end of this month, and you want to make sure you can maximize what you're going to get back with your purchase. Also, our Worry-Free Winter program offers you a first year of deluxe service with your boat purchase. So that's a really cool program where everything's included that first year and doesn't require any thought at the end of the season. We're also offering a blowout sale on our rental boats this year. So if you are looking to get up to $1,000 off a lightly used boat that's going to be in really nice shape with full warranties, great option for you there. We do still have a really nice selection of 2023 boats, pontoons and deck boats. If you're looking for an amazing deal on a boat that is ready to go for this season, it's a really great option for you. We're also still looking for really nice trade-ins and offering top dollar for those. So if you have a boat that's ready to be traded in and upgrade to your next pontoon, now's an absolute great time to do that. We're open 7 days a week now. We also will take your phone call, take your text message, whatever you'd like to do there at 419-368-5951. Or you can check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. Look forward to seeing you soon.